Hey everyone, it's James, and I'm coming to you live from London. I am in my hotel room right now. I just got off the internet with my Verizon cell phone carrier because my internet was being very bad to me over here. But anyway, I got that fixed up. It's just not working when I'm hooked to a Wi-Fi spot for whatever reason. It only works when I use data, and I had to reset my phone and do all that. So if you've been trying to reach me for the past 2 hours or so, you'll notice I'm just now getting back to you on my laptop. So anyway, I'm going to put this video out, and this is just some of the sites I went to today. Just got around, got up and about, and I've seen a lot of these places before, but it's always nice to see it. And the weather is sunny and nice here. And ironically, I left DC and it snowed there today. So, nice. I actually left DC to go to London to have nice weather. So that just doesn't sound right. But anyway, I will show you some clips. This next little clip you'll see, it's a little skate park right on South Bank. If you follow Jack in the Vlogs or Dub, those two, they actually visited here I think 2 weeks ago, somewhere around there. And a little skate park right there. And I tried to capture some video, and I was secretly hoping someone will wipe out and crash their skateboard really good while I have the video camera on, but no one really did it that bad. So, but I got some footage, so I'll share that with you right now. Well, I finished up that little clip with Piccadilly Circus and also Chinatown over in Soho. So if you watch Stevo's blog, you would see that he was in Piccadilly Circus the other day, and he compared it to Times Square, which it really is. It's like Times Square. It's the London version of Times Square. So with all the lights and everything, and it's a Friday night, so it was really packed. So it's pretty neat. And then, of course, my final clip was of Chinatown, which is self-explanatory. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's the meetup, and I'm sure there's going to be plenty of videos out there between me and everyone else. So have a good night, and I'll see you soon.